Well, spring is in full swing, and the Better Business Bureau is here to remind you that spring cleaning isn't just your house. They're encouraging consumers to cleanse their cyber clutter and making digital spring cleaning a habit. It goes hand in hand with your traditional spring routine. Here with me is Jackie Hines from the Better Business Bureau to tell us more about this. And Jackie, I'm terrible at cleaning in my house, and I'm also terrible at spring cleaning my digital thing. You were just telling me, you know, when it gives you a little update your phone, I'm almost ignore. Yes. We'll do it later. It's like putting off cleaning your closet. You just put it off.
So one of the main things you want to do, we always get those little boxes on our devices that says, you know, update your software, and we're likely to, you know, cancel or click out. You want to make sure you're actually going and updating your devices and making sure that all the, you know, different steps it needs to do, its cleaning process gets done. And while you're at it, so I don't know about you, but I carry my phone around with me everywhere I go. You want to make sure you're cleaning your mobile device as well. So making sure you're updating that. If you have a lot of, I'm guilty of this, I have a lot of apps that I don't use. So you want to make sure you go in and delete those apps if you're not using them, update the apps that you are using. Just kind of give your phone a good little scrub and go from there.
Yeah, my phone is always reminding me, hey, you're out of space, and I go to take a picture, and man, what is a good way to maybe go through your pictures or a good place to store them? How do you
So you can always, there's different cloud softwares that you can go to. I know Apple products, they have their own iCloud, and everyone has their own, you know, kind of backup program to use. So definitely research and look into which one is best for you. Which one
has worked best for you?
For me personally, I have iCloud, so I use that and also Google. So I kind of do a two-step backup just to make sure if anything happens, then I'm good to go.
Yeah, no kidding, because you don't want to lose the precious pictures of family and pets and all those things. Nobody wants to lose those. Now, security is a big deal, and making sure your passwords are changed. I know when they ask you to do passwords on some locations, it's very specific. You have to have this sort of symbol and this sort of thing. Do you have any tips on how to maybe keep a password you can remember it, but it's not too basic?
Yes. So there's a process called two-step verification, and it's a free service that you have to do your research and look into, but it's where you put in your regular password, and then usually it prompts you for like your phone number or another email address just to send it to make sure that that actual you are the actual person that should be in the account. But when it comes to passwords, you want to make sure it's not like 1, 2, 3. Make sure it's something you can remember, but not the same for all your accounts.
And then you need to clean up your online reputation, especially as you're leaving college and going to the workforce. People are definitely looking at those things like when you apply for jobs.
So this is a great time to, what I like to call, do a social media audit for yourself. So go through and see if there's any pictures or comments that you've posted that maybe you're embarrassed or not too proud of, that you don't want anyone to see, but just sprucing up and cleaning that up as well.
That's one of the first things you see when people make it big in some sort of business deal or anything like that. People dig up their old tweets or their old Facebook posts, and you don't want that happening to you. So that's really good advice. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
For more information, you can go to oklahomacity.bbb.org or call 405-239-6081. Thank you so much for being here. You have such great advice. We appreciate you taking your time to join us.
Thank you.
We'll be right back with more after this.